Sierah Joughin was a 20-year-old college student from Ohio who went missing in July 2016 while riding her bike near her home in Fulton County. Her disappearance sparked a massive search effort that involved law enforcement agencies and hundreds of volunteers. Unfortunately, her body was found 3 days later in a cornfield near her home. An autopsy revealed that she had been abducted, strangled, and run over by a tractor. Police arrested James Worley, a 57-year-old farmer who lived near Joughin, in connection with her death. In 2018, Worley was found guilty of kidnapping, aggravated murder, and other charges related to Joughin's death. He was sentenced to death and is currently on death row.